Sanchari. Welcome to Exodus Galaxy. If you're watching this video for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Then you will be notified each time I upload a new video. For some, the differences between hand lettering, calligraphy and typography may not seem important. But if you are interested in learning how to use these mediums or are going to hire someone who does, it's important to know how they differ from each other. The misconception comes because some people associate the pointed and flat pen with calligraphy. So when they see someone using a different tool, they automatically think that it has to be something else. For example, lettering. Hand lettering is an art form that focuses on drawing or illustrating the letters. Calligraphy is an art form that focuses on the beautiful writing of letters, which is done in one stroke or the deconstruction of several strokes. Typography is an art form that arranges letters or fonts in a clear, readable, and visually appealing manner. The two main reasons people confuse them are: number one, unfamiliarity. People who are unfamiliar with the terms are usually unable to differentiate between each one and will likely use them interchangeably. And number two, digitization. Truthfully, the computer itself contributes the most of the confusion. Hand lettering and calligraphy can be scanned into the computer, polished and digitized, often turned into a font or a typograph poster. Doing this can make the lettering or calligraphy appear to be a font when it really was created by hand. Thank you for watching this video. If this information helps you or if you like this video, then put a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also comment below what's your favorite: calligraphy, hand lettering or typography. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.